Hello everyone, this is TinyBin. Today's topic will be texture downsize. If you have created a scene with a complex environment and with several people in the scene, when you render the scene, you will find that the render speed is very slow. That is because your GPU memory is not enough and your GPU is already overwhelmed. So what we should do? The texture downsize feature in TinyBin Daz Content Manager can solve this problem. Normally, what we want to highlight are our characters in the scene. So the background will become less important. And we can downsize the background texture to decrease the usage of GPU memory. In TinyBin Daz Content Manager, find this environment product, select this product, and click Texture Downsize. And there are 5 options for you to choose. And these options will decide which images will be dealt with. And then you can click Start Downsize button. And the resolution of these images will become to their half size. If you want to restore the resolution of these images, just click Restore All Images. You don't have to select anything, just click the button. So they are recovered. I'm sorry I cannot give you a demonstration in DazStudio because this is a virtual machine. But I can give you an image to have a comparison. And please pay attention to the highlight area, memory used. On the left is the original textures, and on the right is the downsized textures. And you can see the difference here. Thank you for watching. Please visit my Patreon to download the application and learn more about the TinyBin Daz Content Manager.